Hi, Patricia. Welcome and congratulations again. You've made it. You just got this one class or course here to finish. Uh, the capstone is basically finishing up. Like I told you on the phone, I guess today, this first week looks like a lot of stuff there, but it's really, you will notice there's the only things that are gradable is like the discussion, and then we got like this little exercise and the assignment there. But these are just things to kind of familiarize you with some things to do in the capstone, like the SWOT and things like that. This right here has the actual, let me get that, the actual capstone instructions and everything. So when you get in there, it's pretty much all laid out. Uh, all the courses you've taken, and then the project here itself explaining it. Picking a company, you mentioned Walmart, since you got all the information, that's probably best. Um, minimum of about 20 pages, max 35. And so I will tell you max 35 because I know you already, and you would end up with probably 55 or something. So you don't need to do that much work. And then you have a PowerPoint, which is about 15 slides. So a thing to keep in mind uh, when you're a presenter presenting a presentation, people will have the written thing. So in this case, the paper that they would follow along, and you're just pretty much, you're just highlighting what's in a paper, regardless of what it is. I mean, what it would be. All right. We got the title, the format here. That's a typo right there. That should be title page. Table of contents. And I will tell you right here, don't worry about the executive summary. Skip that part, just because the intro is pretty much kind of repeating part of it. So just skip the executive summary. And then so you'll have your intro, statement, problem, analysis, discussion. So all this is broken into the 4 weeks, all right, or the 5 weeks here. So just like we did in the other 1 or 2 courses there, each week, so here's assignment 1, all right. So this is, okay. And then in week 2, you're just going to continue, okay? So in week 2, you're going to do the environmental scan. And you're just, and if you can't access these, but I can send you each one of the, if you want to kind of get ahead of it, you can, and I can send you all of them. If you want to not get ahead and even, skip getting these done because you're doing other things, in this course, we're okay. So, if you don't get week 1 assignment in, that'll be fine. If you want to kind of, because it's all one document, so you may want to take 1 weekend to kind of do 2 or 3 at one time. However you want to do it, just let me know and we can do that. All right. So otherwise, yeah. And I'm not doing the video with you because you've seen enough of them, and you're busy. I will show you my question here, even though this is what I showed the other courses. So what was going on there? So anyway, but otherwise, again, congrats. Um, don't let this get you too worked up. Like I say, it's pretty straightforward. One document you just add to every week, and we'll see as we go. All right, that'll do, Patricia. You take care. Have a good week. Get in touch if you got any questions or anything, and that will do it. So.